we're going after wellness, health, everything else. So it's a really unique thing that we're doing. And the ability to do that is going to revolutionize this space. It's a bespoke distribution company. It's very unique. We were using companies to move these products all over the Middle East and Africa. We found out really quickly that some of these companies hurt us more than helped us, because there was no, how do I say this in the right way? There was no passion for it. Does that make sense? They really didn't care about how it turned up. They really didn't care about, are you dropping a shipment into a multi-million-dollar office, or are you dropping it into a warehouse? They didn't care. And those people we said goodbye to very quickly. The companies and logistics that we used that just kept in touch and did a follow-up like you guys did. I mean, your team is phenomenal. I mean, it wasn't probably every 24 to 36 hours I had an update. I'm working with a vendor to move a piece of equipment because I'm the point person and I have all the regulatory in the States. It was really important because what we sent over was very important. It's an FDA trial, and it just couldn't be wrong. I think your team understood that I had an urgent matter on deck and we needed to move. They said, okay, great. Here's what we can do. Here's what we need. Gave me the checklist. Bing, bang, bong, done. And then they followed through. I think in today's world, look, what you did brilliantly was you kept in contact. Your team was on top of it and learned more about how important distribution is and logistics is. Because in today's world, we're Amazon, Alibaba. People are not going to wait. And not only are they not going to wait, but it's all about the delivery and the experience. One of the items that we sort of dropped the ball on our side was the wire transfer information wasn't proper from our Dubai group. And then with Amir, he just said, hey, can you guys check it out? Next thing you know, bam, 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 done. And that was it. Instead of being stuck in customs, you know what I mean? You know what that's like. That's miserable. It's nice to know that there's people that are following up, and Amiram was fantastic. You guys were brilliant, because where things fall through is all of a sudden we have a thing that sits on the dock for 10 days because someone didn't contact, because the wire transfer didn't go through. The next thing you know, it gets stuck in customs because someone didn't. It's all about communication. And the communication with your team was exceptional. And I think that's what we look for. And that's when we look at Helio, where we're looking to partner ourselves and affiliate ourselves with exceptional people and companies. It's all about the people. So, sometimes I think with logistics, especially going from a Dubai or from a Tel Aviv, and we'll probably be doing things out of Germany here shortly, it's just knowing that someone cares about it. And it's not just because when you're shipping a $250,000 product and someone really doesn't take ownership of it and pride in what they're doing, it comes across. It wasn't treated, you guys didn't treat me as a transaction. And I felt like I had a team. Like if I needed to pick up the phone, and then I put my guys in touch with your team, and they were like, these guys are phenomenal. So just because of how well this was run, and what it comes down to is just the ability to, I hate to keep saying this, but it's just that you guys actually have a passion for what you do, and it goes from the top down. And I can't wait to get the next shipments out.